I still had a couple more parts that needed to be prepped and painted in order to finish this build off, so that's what I did first. I prepped them, then I moved them onto primer and painted them all black, before moving on to finishing off the final details on the body and going over to some assembly. The trim around the windows needed to be chrome, so I took out my bare metal foil and laid it all in place, cut it to shape on the piece itself, and then removed the excess material. If you want to know more about the method I use here, check out the how-to section on my channel. I have a how-to video on this and a lot of other stuff as well. With the trim now looking all nice and chromy, I could move on to doing some assembly of various of the body components that I previously painted, and of course some others as well. In order to put the rear view mirrors on, you need to drill some holes. They are marked on the inside of the body, and it is purely optional. I kind of forgot that it was optional, of course, so I added them, and I don't think they look bad, but it would look just as good if you don't add them, so that's all up to you. After assembling the headlights, they needed to be painted black on the back side so they would hide a bit better in the buckets from the body itself, and I also painted the grills on the front in that same black while I still had it on the brush before moving on to some more assembly. With the wheels pressed in place and all the details on the inside of the body now finished, I could move on to marrying the chassis and the body together. It was a bit of a squeeze, push and pull, but it all went together pretty well in the end. The headlights could also be put into their housings. Now, one of the aficionados, of course, in the comments down below will mention that I did not add the black, let's call it makeup, around the eyes on the body itself. I didn't really like it. There were decals supplied in the kit, but I kind of liked it more without, so I opted to not use that. On real cars, some have it, some don't. It's all a personal preference. And of course, after that, we could move on to some more assembly. The window wipers are all chrome, but of course the rubber piece needs to be black, so I just took out a permanent marker and marked along the edge to make that rubber piece actually look like black rubber instead of chrome. Now these wipers are mounted really weird. One looks to be upside down and the other looks to be correct, so it took me a couple minutes to figure out what the orientation was actually supposed to be like. It is all shown in the instructions, so just take a careful look at the instructions and you should be fine. Just be aware that it kind of looks weird and upside down, specifically this one. The taillight lenses on the rear needed to be painted in a couple different colors, so I took out my red permanent marker and after that also the orange one before just sticking them in place. Some super tiny indicators also needed to be placed on the front, so I just added some glue and then carefully put them in place. Yes, I actually dropped them about 2 or 3 times before it went okay like this, but I found them after about 10 minutes of searching each. After all, they just went in and now they are stuck there. The exhaust tip received some black paint on the inside to make it look a bit more like one actual exhaust piece instead of a chrome piece. That's not really going anywhere. I also painted the louvers for on the side with the same black and then could all stick that in place and finish it off. I still needed to place some of the metal transfer stickers that came with the kit for all the logos and emblems all over the place, so I firstly just placed the ones on the rear, then moved on to the side and also added the one for the front before placing some decals on top to finish those off. And with that final piece in place, this build is finished. Now I know this is a pretty controversial build as I firstly painted it in green. A lot of you seem to like it. I really did not, so I repainted it in this blue, and then a lot of you did not like the blue and still preferred the green. Well, it's blue. I really like it. The build came out really clean even after a repaint, and I'm really happy that I took the decision to repaint it in a color that I prefer over the previous one. I hope you still like this build and will still be watching for the next one, and I hope to see you guys there.